Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRVB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line and annotations are coming from. And overall, nothing really exciting, especially when you compare it to Monday's price movement. But it's an interesting chart because, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have, I'm sure you've seen stocks that, they make the big move up, and then the price comes down, and then all of a sudden the following day, it just keeps on going down, and that's kind of all she wrote. However, in this situation, that didn't happen. Like I said, sure, it wasn't an exciting day, but the price did manage to just simply go sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price didn't, continue on down today does not mean that for sure this thing's getting ready to make another huge move up. But it's at least, it's rational, it's logical to think that, hey, maybe this thing's got a little bit more momentum left in it. It may very well may not. Tomorrow the price may just continue on down, which is why risk management and risk control is always so important. But at this point, like I said, given there's, got some sideways price movement, it's at least a logical thought. It's a rational thought to have that, perhaps this thing is just, stabilizing out here right around the $12 mark. Another move, may be ready to go to the upside. Now, as far as key levels of support, nothing new has changed since Monday's video. I talked about right around $12, and you can see that's essentially right where the price is sitting at right now. So 12, was that level of support going into today, and it is indeed acting as support. In the event the price cannot hold above there and it separates some more to the downside, the next key level is going to be down around 975. If the price can't hold above 975, at that point, the price falls into kind of almost no man's land. And while I'm not saying that implies it's going to shoot straight down to, $5, it's just, technically speaking, there aren't any other areas of support down around that area. But as of right now, 12 is doing a good job of holding strong. If this is, some sort of, nice healthy consolidation, the price starts to work its way back upwards, then 1625 and 1825 are going to be the next couple areas of resistance. But as of right now, breaking levels of resistance, not really the top priority, more so about trying to go through a healthy consolidation here. So we'll see if the bulls can get that job done or not, but definitely an interesting scenario going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.